Hey, financial thrill seekers. Welcome to the First Lien HELOC Carnival. Today we're debunking myths and demystifying some financial tales that might have you spinning in circles. Buckle up because we're about to expose the truth behind the curtain of First Lien HELOC solutions. You've probably heard the carnival barkers shouting about banking secrets, telling you that the big bad banks are hiding something from you. Well, let me tell you, the only thing the banks are hiding is that they are really bad at what they do. The carnival barkers are just as bad. Take a look at these imitators of truth and equity. They've taken the First Lien HELOC solution and turned it into a fear-mongering campaign. They want you to believe that banks are out to get you, that there's some evil entity scheming to enslave you. But here's the reality check. It's just smoke and mirrors. Enter Truth and Equity, your financial guide in this carnival of confusion. We believe in empowering you with knowledge, not feeding you fear. Our solution revolves around credit line banking, or CLB. It's not a secret society or a hidden agenda. It's a strategic plan that puts you in control of your finances. Unlike the carnival barking competitors, Truth and Equity doesn't paint broad brushstrokes about the banks being villains. We conduct personalized one-on-one financial reviews because we understand that everyone's financial journey is unique. Some of our competitors want you to believe in special laws or secret practices that only they know about. But let me burst that bubble. The only genuine solution is a plan rooted in the CLB strategy. Now, let's shift gears and focus on the positive. Truth and Equity is not just about demystifying the negativity. It's about providing real solutions. We're here to help you build wealth, achieve financial freedom, and take control of your financial destiny. So, dear viewers, step right up and take control of your financial future. Say no to the carnival barkers and yes to Truth and Equity's credit line banking strategy. Don't let fear be your guide. Let knowledge lead the way. Remember, the real power is in your hands.